Pappy's hedge trimmer review. This RYOBI 22-inch hedge trimmer comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery pack and charger. The unique bar design comes with this hedge sweep debris remover. The handle design has 0-degree cut, rotation to 45-degree angle, and 90-degree angle cut. Direct to you from RYOBI.
Gonna give her a try. Guard off. Well, this push bar seems to work pretty good. Helps you flick the branches out of the way. Cut very nice. And cut right through the thicker branches. My arms got a little tired. Doesn't seem that heavy, but after time, you can really feel it. So, proof's right here. RYOBI. Handy RYOBI. Don't have to worry about cords. Like my old electric one, I think I cut at a time, and so did Mama Pappy, but no worries now. With this, no more cutting cords. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.